Don and Cindy Adams, the past few days without power has been quite the adventure.
Yeah, you got to do what you have to do.
I think it's an adventure. I like it. As long as I know it's going to end.
But unlike many, the Westford couple is fully equipped to handle the outage. Between cutting wood for their wood-burning stove and running a generator, they also got water from a nearby brook.
You know, we can go down. If we got a brook down the street, we can get water for flushing the toilets with. I just got to haul it back.
They even had their annual Christmas party Saturday night.
The only tough part was we had a Christmas party Saturday night, and we have people that are diehards that would have shown up anyway, so we lit the driveway with candle bags, and we had the party anyway.
As of Monday afternoon, there were still close to 4,400 Westford residents without power, about 4,200 in Chelmsford, and just over 2,000 in Dracut. Further down from the Adams on Lowell Road, some residents came home to a pleasant surprise.
Lost power Thursday night, just came back on apparently sometime during the day today. Got home from work and was happily surprised.
While it may take up to 72 hours to completely restore power, the Adams say they're keeping a positive attitude.
The sun came out today, so what the heck? Life is good.
In Westford, Bridget Scrimenti for LowellSun.com.